Howdy folks out there. This is part 4 of our transmission tear down here. We're getting ready to pull our pump off. So what you want to do is you can get the tool to pull this off, but you actually have a pair of threads right there and right here. Now they're a 3/8/16 thread. You can actually get a slide hammer and screw that up in here to pull this pump off. But I'm going to show y'all another way to do this, because you got to have the pan off anyway. We'll go ahead, and these are all a 1/2 inch. There are 13 of them. So we're going to go ahead and get our pan off here. Let's get that on off. Alright, there's the first one here. Apologize for the video. Hey, there's our first one. Now we're missing 2 bolts, so we're actually going to end up with 11. There's 2. There's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And here's our last one. Now you're supposed to have 13. I got 11. I'm missing 2, so we're going to have to get 2 of these bolts right here. That's no big deal. Alright, there's the last one. Alright, so you just take the pan off right here. Anywhere might be transmission fluid. Alright, now this is where your filter is. Just take your flathead. Now our filter is actually removed already. It's just not a big deal. That comes with the kit. So if you ever want to take your filter off, that goes right here. We'll show you how to install that when we reassemble this. Just get you a flathead. I'll show you how to make sure it's on the right way. Alright, to remove our pump here, I'm going to show y'all how to do this the easy way. We already got our bolts out here. Missed one. It's not a big deal. Keep our pump bolts all together. Put them all down here. Alright, so to take our pump out, we're going to get a long flathead screwdriver, just like this. And then we're going to stick it down in this hole here at the end of this steel. So you put it in here just like this. You want to go all the way back and forward. Now what you want to do, just kind of push it back a couple times. See that? Alright, our pump's already loose. That's because it's already been out. Now, just pull straight on out. Alright, here's our pump. You have a thrust washer on the back of your pump. Let's set this up here. Apologize for the videos not being the greatest, but I do hope this helps people. Alright, so here's your thrust washer right here. This only goes on one way. This has a tab right here. There's our tab. This lines up on the back of this pump. See that? It only lines up one way. Okay. Alright. So there's how we remove our pump there. Just want to take your screwdriver again. Just take your screwdriver and put it in this hole back in here, and just press back. Sometimes you got to wiggle it a couple times to get it to come out. Ours came out easy. That's because it was already out. You want to make sure your gasket came completely off. Ours came off good. Ours is still stuck on our pump here. Alright, so the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is going to remove our valve body before we get too ahead or removing anything else in here. So the next part, we're going to remove our